Hey guys, today we'll see about STP and RSTP port roles. We can see in STP root port, designated port, alternate blocking port. In RSTP we can see root port, designated port, alternate port and backup port. Let's see. STP port roles. Root port, designated port, alternate blocking or non-designated or blocking port. In RSTP, root port, designated port, alternate port, backup port. Now we will see all these ports one by one. We have RSTP domain right side and STP domain left side. This one STP, this one RSTP. Root port. So root port is the port on non-root switch. So this one and this one non-root switch. From this switch, the port having the lowest cost to reach the root base, that is the root port. Here this one is the root port. Here this one is the root port because having the lowest cost to reach the root base. Designated port. All ports on root switch are designated forwarding ports. For other network segment, for this network segment, the port having the lowest cost to reach the root base are designated port. Here, this one and this one are designated port for this network segment. Other ports having the highest cost to reach the root switch are in blocking mode. So this one, and these two are blocking ports. Now on RSTP, root port, same here, this is non-root switch, this one also non-root switch, this port and this port having the lowest cost to reach the root base. So this one and this one are root ports. Designated port, all port on non-root switch, sorry, all port on root switch, on this switch, all ports are designated. And the port for other network segment having the lowest cost to reach the root base. So these two and these all are designated ports. Alternate port. So alternate port is the backup of root port. So here this one and this one are alternate of root port. So this one is alternate of this root port and this one is alternate of this root port. So this is alternate port. Now backup port. So backup port is the backup port for designated port. So designated port here, any of this, and the backup of this port, maybe this one is the backup port. Because if the designated port goes down, the backup will come up. Now let's go in CLI and see. Show spanning tree. We can see all the ports are designated, means this is the root switch, switch 0, root switch. Now switch 1. show spanning tree. We can see this one is alternate blocking port, one blocking port. This one is designated port. This one is root port, and this one is designated port. So here one root port, one alternate blocking port, and two designated port. Switch 1. This is root. These two are designated, and this one is blocking. Switch 2. So we have one root port and remaining alls are blocking ports. This one is root port, remaining three are blocking ports. Now on RSTP, switch 3, show spanning tree. We can see one, two, three blocking ports and one root port. Okay, but in case of RSTP, in CLI, we don't see these two ports. This also we see as blocking port. It so in case of RSTP, if it is blocking port, that may be either alternate port or backup port. Now switch 4. Show spanning tree. Here we can see designated port, alternate blocking port, designated port, root port. One root port, two designated port, and one blocking ports. Switch 4. Here C. This one is root, designated, and this is blocking. Now switch 5. Show spanning tree. Here we can see all the ports are in designated forwarding mode. Means this is the root switch. See here, this is the root switch. Thanks for watching.